Assalamualaikum. How do I install Winrar and download on my laptop? You can see. Just type Winrar. Just type Winrar here. Okay. Then you need to go here, Winrar download free, that official site. Then you have to click here. On download. Okay. This is the latest version of Winrar 7.13 English 64-bit. Okay, I'm gonna save this. Alright, here we go. It's downloading. Downloaded already. Okay. Open this. Then press yes. Then here is the install. Okay. You can leave like so. Now press OK. You're always set. Alright, cut it. Then there is a Winrar. So you need to start back. There it is. Here is this. Thank you. Keep well.